Welcome to the presentation on ASTR. ASTR is an artificial intelligence and facial recognition powered solution for telecom SIM subscriber verification. It is an indigenous and innovative tool conceptualized, developed and implemented by DOT Haryana LSC unit, and it has been implemented in Mewat region as a pilot project. The aim of the tool is to carry out 100% mobile subscriber verification. Let us have a look at the news headlines about the financial frauds which are rampant in India. We see that so many frauds are being carried out with the citizens of India, and there is one common link among all these financial frauds, and that is the fake SIMs. Let us have a look how the cyber syndicates work. We have a telecom subscriber base of 120 crore, and we have a population size of 135 crore Indian citizens, which provide a huge vulnerable attack surface to the malicious entities. More than 7 lakh complaints have been filed on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal in the last 3 years. And India has lost 1.25 lakh crore rupees due to the cyber crimes and cyber frauds. And fake SIMs are a direct threat to the digital economy and digital inclusion. So how does this cyber fraud cycle works? The SIMs are taken on fake or forged documents or in third party's name. Some of these fake SIMs are used to open bank account, social media handles, WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, and some of the other SIMs are used to make calls to the citizens. Phishing, wishing, smishing attack are being carried out by the fraudsters, and they make sure that the citizens fall prey to them and divulge their personally identifiable information. As soon as the fraudster gets the money is instantly withdrawn. When the police starts investigating the case, there are two important aspects. One is the untraceability and second is the anonymity. And this makes cybercrime investigation very complex. So that is why we need ASTR. As per National Cybercrime Record Bureau's 2020 annual report, more than 50,000 cases of cybercrime were filed in year 2020, and it is a 11.8 surge from the previous year 2019, and 60% of these cases are related to frauds. The SIMs subscribed on the fake and forged document are involved in majority of these cyber frauds and cyber crimes, as well as in conventional crimes like dacoity, kidnapping, extortion, hoax and threat calls, owing to the anonymity and the untraceability of these SIMs. The law enforcement agencies and Ministry of Home Affairs have reported that major cybercrime syndicates are operating from regions like Jamtara and Mewat. Such syndicates are a direct threat to the national security, public law and order, and public safety. So, ASTR was launched for 100% subscriber verification across all TSPs in Mewat region of Haryana LSC, with an aim to weed out all fraudulent subscribers. In India, any person can subscribe a new SIM taking more than 30 plus proof of identities and proof of addresses issued by different government organizations. So how does ASTR work? ASTR utilizes the subscriber images provided by the telecom subscriber providers as per DOT instructions. It compares the subscriber images and groups similar images together using artificial intelligence based facial recognition with very high grade of accuracy. After further comparison with the details available in the subscriber database, ASTR verifies whether the same person has acquired SIMs in different names, guardian name, date of birth or any other KYC parameter. The conventional text-based analysis has one limitation, that it assumes the correctness of the data and works on finding the duplicates or correlated proof of identity or proof of address data. Whereas ASTR targets the facial recognition and has the capacity to filter the various POIs or POAs used on the same face, which may have different customer names, which establishes the fraud straight away. And it has been a great finding in Mewat area. So how ASTR works? So ASTR works on detection of the human face feature using the Hog model and CNN model. So we extract 68 points on the frontal face and then we take them to the higher dimension of 128 vectors, and then the facial comparison is carried out. The change of names is detected using fuzzy logic. So fuzzy logic is a science of approximate string matching, and it helps in identification of two elements of strings or entries that are approximately similar. It helps us in uh, finding a unique set of subscriber names and also help us in handling the procedural typing errors. If you look at the example, the first string is Apple Inc. and then we have a list of strings: Apple Inc., Apple Park, Apple Incorporated, and iPhone. And then if we look at the results of the fuzzy logic, we see that there are 100% match also. So this kind of string matching helps us in handling the typographical errors that might creep in. So this is the three-stage implementation of ASTR. ASTR utilizes the subscriber images, then we carry out the facial recognition. Two faces are said to be similar if they match more than 97.5%. And it is worth mentioning that human eye can recognize similarities up to 95%. In the second stage, fuzzy logic is used for finding unique set of names. After that, in the third stage, unique mapping of the subscriber image with names is carried out. And as outcome, we get that there are fraudulent subscribers. The face is same, but they are using multiple names by creating fraudulent and forged proof of identity and proof of address documents. The second outcome is that individual subscriber is having more than 9 SIMs in his name, which is a violation of DOT guidelines. So how ASTR is helping in breaking the chain of cybercrimes and frauds? So if we are able to detect the fraudulent SIMs and if we are able to weed them out by carrying out the re-verification, the next steps of linking such fake SIMs with the bank accounts and the social media and the fake calls will never take place, which will eventually make cybercrime impossible. Even if cybercrime takes place, in that case, the person will be traceable. So it will be a great tool for the law enforcement agencies. So what is the mantra? Proactive analysis and communication intelligence using ASTR and detecting and weeding out the fraudulent SIMs even before they carry out any cyber crime or fraud. That is going to be the way to deal with the cyber crimes and these fake SIMs. So let us take a look at the impact of ASTR in Mewat. Before the launch of ASTR, there were approximately 16,70,000 SIMs in Mewat region across all telecom service providers. Using ASTR, approximately 4,28,000 SIMs which were suspected have been disconnected from the telecom network, and it has greatly helped in reducing the cybercrime syndicates which were operational in Mewat region, and it has drastically reduced the cyber crimes which were taking place earlier in Mewat region. So ASTR is a potential tool which can play a great role in communication intelligence, and the proactive analysis will not only help in preventing the cyber frauds, but will also instill confidence in the citizens of India for using the digital modes of payment. Jai Hind. Thank you.